With the development of computerized monetary forms, crypto resources holders have understood the advantages of a protected, straightforward, and present-day advanced trade stage with which to exchange the benefits. A decent quantities of such trade stages have developed throughout the years, making another crypto showcase biological community, with some having a larger number of highlights and advantages than the others. Despite various trade stages in the computerized present reality, there are numerous issues restraining the adequacy of trade of crypto resources. These include the following: lack of government regulations to protect traders' rights. Low liquidity does not allow traders to trade digital assets effectively. The quality of customer support services is low and there is a lack of translation for other languages. Low operating speed, often leading to losses. Low security and exposure to cyber attacks. Stock markets are very important instruments for the crypto world. Because we keep all our digital assets here, evaluate them here, and withdraw them from here. As blockchain technology develops, the market values and functions of the stock market are increasing and will continue to increase. As blockchain technology develops, the market values and functions of the stock market are increasing and will continue to increase. A new platform called Bcnex exchange will eliminate all the above disadvantages and provide better condition for trading virtual currency. In the task of providing solutions to these problems, the Bcnex exchange platform was introduced. I will introduce you to the Bcnex trading platform. The Bcnex is a cryptocurrency exchange platform which will provide crypto investors who wish to diversify their investments direct access to the digital asset classes. Bcnex, which I am about to talk about soon, aims to be a better stock market than the stock market we know. He especially wants to establish a platform that wants to perfect customer service. In addition to this, as much as possible, Transparent aims to be the leader in the market by providing advanced crypto exchange, which holds the security of its customers above all else. Bcnex is aware of all the problems in the market and wants to find solutions to these problems. He wants to build a whole new system by seeing the problems of other stock exchanges so far and by learning how to prevent these problems. What are the current problems and how does Bcnex want to provide solutions to these problems? Security deficiencies. As you may recall, many of the stock markets have been hacked over the past few years. Billions of dollars worth of people's digital assets were stolen by pirates. This has shaken most people's trust or caused them to hate blockchain technology. Although the cryptography science that blockchain technology uses is too secure, if the stock market doesn't have enough security, it doesn't make any sense. Most stocks don't insure your stolen digital assets and don't insure them. That's why any transfer of your cryptocurrency can be as risky as gambling. Most of the currently running stock markets still do not have the necessary security measures and are facing the danger of hacking. To do this, security measures should be increased and different methods should be used. Solution: the Bcnex stock market wants to give users a complete security experience. The software of Bcnex developers is knowledgeable, experienced and skilled. These programmers who want to lay the foundations of the architecture they will build in a very solid way are aiming to take all measures to ensure that the system works perfectly. What makes Bcnex special is that they are also dominated by traditional investment tools. Weak technical architecture. Most of today's stock markets are unusable and poorly designed. Most of these stock exchanges are non-user friendly, dysfunctional stock markets. A stock market should be built primarily on a solid ground. This requires technical knowledge. Programmers with bad technical knowledge cannot design user-friendly interfaces and architectures. Many of the stock markets that I don't want to name but are widely used around the world are useless and weak. Because they are not well-founded, security vulnerabilities pose a problem for users. This type of stock market makes use of weak materials when building the architecture of the system because they prioritize making money. Users who use these stock exchanges experience a bad user experience and cannot evaluate their money well. They deal with security issues. Solution: the software developers and designers embodied by Bcnex have created the infrastructure of world-famous systems and have been chosen from experienced ones. With decades of experience, they want to build Bcnex very strongly. This means they want to set up a fast, effective and reliable platform with a user-friendly interface, minimizing vulnerabilities. Bcnex's programmers are special individuals who have already built large markets such as Forex. Therefore, they have the experience and the equipment necessary for the construction of Bcnex. Low market volume and liquidity. Today, many stock markets create fake volumes to create high volumes and liquidity. The reason for the creation of these fake volumes is to conceal the shortcomings of the poor stock market. The current stock markets face a lot of difficulties. They fail to convert their money into an investment tool. These kinds of stock markets that do not direct users towards the solution are creating fake volumes and liquidity. This type of stock market, which was designed poorly as a technical and interface, gives users a bad experience. As a result, many users facing bad trade experience. Solution: as I mentioned above, Bcnex has many experienced, well-trained and talented software developers and designers. This specially selected team is aware of all the problems that exist and wants to find a very powerful solution to these problems. The Bcnex team has signed a partnership agreement with many companies by meeting people on many platforms where investors gather. Preparations have started to build a better quality stock market in line with investors' and users' wishes. Therefore, it aims to create a much more complete stock market by combining traditional investment tools and innovative investment tools under the same roof. Bcnex products. Bcnex Exchange. Bcnex Exchange is a stock exchange that can be used both on mobile phones and through internet browser. Thanks to this stock market, you can evaluate your digital assets quickly and reliably. The mobile and internet interface of the stock market aims to be one of the fastest interfaces ever. In this way, users will never miss an opportunity and will be able to trade quickly with ease. The technical infrastructure of the stock market is designed in a robust way so that it can accurately perform millions of exchanges per second. It has only Bcnex in existing stock markets with such a strong feature, and that is what makes it special. You can use Google Authenticator and SMS methods to improve your security when using the stock market. In addition to this, you can maximize your security with the Kike method. Bcnex Wallet. Bcnex has a reliable wallet in itself. In this wallet, you can store a lot of major coins and trade them. Bcnex has 3 different wallet types: hot wallet, cold wallet and secure hardware. With these 3 different options, you can protect your digital assets from internet privates. Besides, you can protect your wallet with 2FA system and limit your transactions. This way you can secure your wallet 100%. This wallet supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether and Bcnex. In addition, if you use Bcnex Bcnex coin in this wallet, you pay a commission of 75%. The major coins I mentioned above are on the system, but Bcnex works to add more coins and adapt them to the system. This wallet also supports Chinese, English, Vietnamese, Japanese and Korean, and also supports following softwares. Conclusion. Obviously, almost none of the exchanges used today do not meet my needs. Fake volume, security weaknesses, messed-up interfaces, lousy phone applications, and more. Most of the exchanges work to make money, and they hardly care about the user and the investor. Because of these poorly designed stock exchanges, almost billions of dollars of crypto money is being stolen, hacked. The reason for this is that the software, interfaces and infrastructure of these stock exchanges are poorly prepared. That's why people don't rely on blockchain technology and stop investing. However, the presence of projects such as Bcnex is planning to revolutionize the stock market. Bcnex wants to create its own stock exchange to respond to all the concerns of users and wants to start a new revolution. If you would like to know more about the project, please contact the project at the addresses below. Website https://www.bcnex.net